holding on now, man. Don't let me down.
Yeah, I know, you're a snapping turtle.
Jesus. That scared the shit out of me.
Hi, guys. So this is Lance. Brother-in-law. Oh, jeez. I guess we're doing a little off-roading today and letting.
Is this a good time to tell you my neighbor's a cop? So that's what you typically do. You launch at like 1500.
Yeah, it's just anything more than that, you'll just start
Just
crazy.
smoke the tires.
Yeah. It looks pretty good there.
It's not bad.
A little bit.
It's not bad at all.
It looks
Them rednecks is like, is that lightning?
good.
Bang on,
Dang your pretty truck.
dang on lightning, dang on race truck, dang on NASCAR,
Oh, NASCAR truck.
dang on NASCAR.
A little brake, like you're gonna have to ease into the brake, but full gas, so full throttle. Left and right. Yeah, it's a little finicky.
Right. So,
The front brakes are really strong,
yeah,
and then the back brakes are new, and they're pretty strong too. So it's a little weird. You gotta like fully mash the gas like all the way to the floor instantly, but then you have to like feather the brake in. It's
Right.
really weird. And then if you do the opposite,
Almost
like
like-
heavy brake and then mash it, it's like it doesn't want to spin. It'll just try and do like a launch. Yeah, it'll do like a slow spin and then try and go. It sounds pretty good though. From the passenger seat, it's like screaming out the fucking exhaust. Yeah, I beat my buddy's GTI. I think it's stage 2. Stage 2 GTI.
okay.
Lined up. I was like, just pulling I hit third gear. Yeah, I'm like, pulled like 2 cars on. He's like, fuck. He's like, I thought I would have had you. I was like, it's a fast truck.
The only thing like that is weird, it's a little weird, is like because it's automatic.
Yeah.
It's obviously not a freaking dual clutch, like super fancy race
Yeah.
automatic. Like the shifts are,
It's hard.
yeah. I mean, and it's hard and slow.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, you want to go for a cool down lap or?
Yeah, you can go cruise or whatever. I don't care.
How does this thing? How does it do donuts?
I don't know. I haven't tried doing donut yet. That'd be fun as hell, dude. Is there a spot to do one? I'll have you hold the GoPro. I'll fucking just rip it around.
I don't know how much trouble we would get in or not.
Whee!
We should do that. Freaking easy first gear burnout.
That was a good one.
Yeah. There we go.
My tires are all nice and sticky.
It's amazing this has that much grip.
Yeah, that's like. Like, what? We're doing 60 miles an hour. It's just like. For a truck, it's like, god damn. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Had some fun.